Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and you're watching Reliable Roots. In today's video I am making a heart-shaped pocket pillow inspired from this Forest Fairy craft book. I've done a few different crafts from this book for our nature table with our homeschool lessons and I really enjoyed them. They're just really fun and the kids really enjoyed them as well. This craft in particular, it was really perfect for my first grader, not so much for my toddler or my preschooler. They had fun trying to sew for about a second and then they were kind of bored and they went away. But my first grader really enjoyed decorating her heart-shaped pillow. I'm going to call it a pillow. It's a heart-shaped craft, but it has a little pocket in it. And the reason why I wanted to make this year is because every year for Valentine's Day, I leave love letters on my children's door. So they wake up first thing in the morning for 14 days straight and they see a love letter from their mom saying something that I love about them in particular. So this year I thought it'd be fun to make this. I'm going to leave their love letters actually inside the pocket of the heart. So we had a lot of fun making this craft, and it also is a dual purpose craft. It's not just a craft, but it will actually serve a purpose this year. I am also doing a much bigger video coming out this Friday, February 1st, so be sure to like, subscribe, and check back on Friday for a collaboration that I will be doing with a bunch of other YouTubers all about Valentine's Day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you later. Bye!